Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now, you're watching this video because you want to know how to get the best Sephora discount codes, and these will also work in 2024, so it doesn't matter if you're watching this video late. I'm going to show you Sephora promo codes to save $100 off your next order. So it doesn't matter what you're going to get, whether it be makeup, perfume, whatever, you're going to get $100 off your next order. And this is a simple code that you can enter in the basket or checkout. So let me show you guys how you get yours. Okay guys, so let me show you how you can get your Sephora promo codes. Open up the internet on your mobile phone and go to this website, www.topdogcodes.com. So make sure you spell this website exactly like this, guys, to go to Top Dog Codes. Pretty cool website. They have lots of different stuff. So we need to navigate our way to the Sephora page. Go to search, type in Sephora, and this is going to pop up Sephora coupons and deals. So open that up. You can see, guys, there are a couple of different selections that you can choose. You can get a $100 off Sephora promo code. You can also get a 50% off your next order code, so you just have to choose which one you want. Now, when you select your code, you simply tap on show coupon, and this is going to pop up. You have to basically unlock your full code. As you can imagine, these codes are pretty valuable, so it just protects the codes and ensures that each person can only get one Sephora promo code each. So you have to unlock your code. Now, it takes just a few minutes to unlock your code. After this step is finished, you're going to see a new screen, and basically, guys, you need to follow the instructions. So you can see this is a verification. Now you need to complete 2 of the tasks on this page, and once you've done that, it's going to unlock your Sephora promo code. Pretty easy, guys. You need to just go and do that, follow these steps, go to topdogcodes.com, and that is how you can get a $100 Sephora promo code. Alternatively, you can even get 50% off. So hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Go ahead, give this a go, and enjoy. I'll see you next time.